Story time.
The Monkey and the Sparrow. Family of sparrows had their nest in a tall branch of a tree. There they lived joyfully. One day it was raining terribly. The mother sparrow looked out of her nest and she found the monkey standing underneath the tree fully drenched in rain. Moreover, a cold wind was blowing, so the monkey was shivering. She took pity on the monkey and said, "Hello, friend. Why are you standing in the rain? Go to your home or you will catch a serious cold." The monkey became very angry and screamed, "Hey, you miserable sparrow! I know how to take care of myself. Keep your mouth shut." The mother sparrow could not keep herself silent. Again she posed, "Don't you have a home? Go there quickly." The monkey gave an angry look and said, "Why are you bothering me? It's none of your business." Then the sparrow decided to keep her mouth shut, but she couldn't. She took pity on the monkey and said, "Hey monkey, now I understand you. You don't have a home. Why don't you come up and sit under these thick leaves? It will help you to resist the rain more effectively. Please come up." The monkey became very furious and replied, "Wait, I will teach you a nice lesson." Then the monkey went up the tree and smashed the nest of the tree. The sparrow, perplexed after saying, "Extend your helping hand to the needy people. Search them and serve them.